All right, let's go over how to draw Izzy Hawthorne from Lightyear, from the Buzz Lightyear movie. So I'm going to start over here with one of her eyes. Curve down. Going to go over here. Curve out there. I'm going to go to the other eye. Like so. Curve. And have that out. Curve underneath. Curve underneath. Line up. Line over here. And across there for the eyelid. Over here on this side. But yeah, Izzy is pretty cool character. But yeah, check out that Buzz movie, the Lightyear movie. Have you seen Lightyear? Let me know what you thought in the comments. I'm so curious what everybody thought. And I'm gonna give a little bit of eyelash over here. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw the pupil and iris right here. One curve, and right here, curve. Right on. Gonna draw the dot right there for the highlight. I want the highlight to look like it's hitting there. And then I'm gonna fill in her entire eye. Because she has brown eyes, and I usually like to shorthand it by filling in the entire eye. It's usually the way everybody shorthands it. Right there. Gonna draw a small curve in here and going into the nose. Curve for the top of the nose. Go here to the bottom. Right here for the bottom of the nose. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. Kind of put a nostril in there. Over here, put a nostril in here. And line right here on one side. Line right here on the other side. Line. Line. It's a little bit for, not really the bag in the eye, but just kind of a line there. Alright. Gonna go over here to the face right here and draw Philtrum, which is like the middle part of the mouth. Line over here. Line over here for the rest of the lip. Line over here. Curve down. Continue to curve up. Right on. Gonna go over here to this area. And just throwing in the eyebrow on one side. Down. Going over here on the other side. Throwing in the, maybe a little bit closer. Gonna put a line over here. And down over here. Up. And there's a little bit of a cut there. Line across here. And fill in that whole eyebrow. Right through the bottom lip. Curve underneath. And let's go over here. Line out for the cheek. Down. Down over here. Curve to the chin. Curve of the chin here. Let's find the far side of the face here. And you're gonna put that in there. I think that might be a little bit too wide, so I'm gonna actually redraw that thinner, and that's gonna be a negative space, and you'll see how I do that in a bit. Curve for the ear. Curve for the outer part of the ear. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw a line here And I'm gonna fill in this as a negative shape because she's gonna have the Buzz Lightyear suit on, right? I'm gonna fill that in there. Let's go over here to the top of her head, kind of the hairline. At this point, she has, I believe it's cornrows or something, yeah, on the hair. I believe, can't tell. Out over here, down. Curve over here for the far side here, line. Line, line. Gonna go over here, curve for one row of, I think that's cornrows. Line over here for the other. Line over here. Line over here. Fill in more and line over here. Then the rest of the hair is on this side. A line over there, line over there, and that's pretty much it. So there is hair in the back, I believe, but it's a little different. All right, line down here for the neck. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find the Buzz Lightyear outfit, like the top of it. So we're gonna go over here, curve, curve over here, up. Go over here on this side, curve, line over here, curve over here. For kind of, it's like the top of the suit has like kind of some lines over there. Let's put a line across here and then down for kind of the neck area. Curve over here on this side for the inside of the tube of that area. Curve down. Curve right here. And another kind of like wheel shape on the left side. Out over here, down. Okay, we're gonna have another little circle, a knot over here on this side. Curve, curve. Out over here. Another one. There's really no, you can kind of, don't worry about the number of curves right here. It doesn't really matter, honestly. Put a line here. Right on. So we're going right here. We're going to start the top of the vest area. So over here, cross, up, and it's going to connect into here. We're going to draw the insignia right there. And there's kind of like a bird here, but we're going to shorthand it. Just kind of shorthand it a bit. Line, 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 line. And there's like, that's good enough right there. Gonna go on this side, curve down, curve here. curve right here. Curve right there to the back. Another curve up, kind of for the shoulder now. We're going to go to the shoulder area. Pulling out down, down over here, line over here. Pull this up a little bit. Across. And we're going to draw the chest plate here. Over here on this side. Out. Down. Line over here. Line over here. Line, line, line. Line over here. And we're going to throw the button scheme right here. There's 3 buttons. Right there. Line. They're essentially just kind of round. Let's throw a line across here. And kind of a square latch on this side. Curve over here. Curve out for the top of the shoulder. Other part of the shoulder. And to be honest, you can kind of do this text stuff like just as long as it vaguely looks like the impression, it's fine. You don't have to, you know, really go hardcore on it. Honestly, if it just vaguely, let's do another curve right here. You don't have to go super hardcore. It's just kind of, you know, it's just kind of there, honestly. And for her hair, you can kind of, this is in cartoon, so you draw X's on it. It's like a shorthand for that kind of hairstyle. And that is pretty much it, honestly. That would be her. Okay, it would be Izzy. If you want, you can also throw, well, not even the far shoulder. It's not really that big a deal. You can keep putting stuff, but it's not on purpose. Like, draw a far shoulder. You can keep putting stuff, but it's not necessary. Inside of the ear right there. That line is only that far down because I had to fit in there, but there you go. Thanks so much. I appreciate it. Hit that like button, and I will see you next time. If you want to see more Buzz characters, let me know, and I'll talk to you next time.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.